Today we're going to be unboxing this. Wait, what are all these reflections? Hold on a second. Wait a minute. All right, here we go. It's much better. All right, today we're going to be unboxing the Eufy FamiLock S3 Max. This is Eufy's latest smart lock featuring palm vein recognition. It has a 2K camera. It also functions as a doorbell. And it has a rear lock screen display, so you can see if the person in front of the door has a gun or not. This lock was released back in April of 2025, but I just got it less than a month ago on Amazon. And I got it on a bundle that comes with the Homebase 3 for around $475. Now the Homebase 3 alone sells for $150, which means that this lock is $325. Pretty expensive. As soon as we open the box, we are greeted with the outdoor section of the lock. So this is what's going to be facing the outside of your home. It has the doorbell button at the bottom, and underneath that is where you can insert the physical key. We get a Eufy sticker, which I'm not going to use. And then we get some paper guides for you to utilize while mounting this lock to your door. In this tiny box, we get hardware. So we get the actual bolt, the screws, and everything you'll need to mount this baby on your door. Oh, and they also include some batteries. That's cool. Tucked all the way back here is the battery that's going to be powering this lock. The description says that this battery should provide up to 4 months of full functionality on a single charge, and then the 4 AAA backup batteries for additional 1 month of emergency power if needed. And then we get to the interior portion of the lock, and it has a rubber mat that's going to go against your door. And here is that screen that is the selling point of this lock. Like I said, so you can see who is outside before you open your door. It's pretty useless if you already have a window on your door, but if you don't, this is a really cool feature. All right, that is everything we get in the box. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.